Hey, what's up, geeks? This is Darron Brown, and in this video, we're going to tackle the hurdles race algorithm. So basically, what this is we have a jumper. You have a person who can jump at a certain height, and there's like the super juice you can drink. So, say for example, my maximum height is 5 that I can jump, but there's a height that's 7. So what I want to do, each time I take this super drink, it increases my vertical by 1. So I go from jumping 5, from 5 to 6, and from 6 to 7. So basically that's 2. I would have to drink the super juice twice in order to jump all of the hurdles. All right, you got it? So what I want you guys to do, I want you to scroll down and copy the function that we have below. And I want you guys to paste that into your IDE or text editor. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to check and see if anything is passed back to us. I'm going to check if our K, which is our height, and we're going to check if our array of heights that we have to jump is passed back. So if everything is false, we're going to return false. All right. Next, we're going to create a variable titled count. And count is basically going to calculate the amount of times we have to drink this super juice to increase our vertical. So after that, we're going to grab our heights, all right, and we're going to use the function for each. And this is going to help us iterate through each one of the values in our array. So we're going to reference our height, and we're going to say while.
Hey, what's up guys? Darron Brown here. I just wanted to remind you, at the end of this video, make sure you check out the website www.geekmode.tech. There you can learn more about React Native, Firebase, and Redux. And also, if you haven't already, make sure you check out our free course as well. I'm sure you enjoy it. Now, that's enough of me, and I'll let you guys get back to the video.
K, which is our height, is less than the height that comes back to us. This is what we're going to do. We're going to increment our count just so we know we're taking that super juice. And then we're also going to increase our height, which is K, all right, by 1. So once we're done with all this, we're going to go ahead and just return our count. So I'm going to go ahead and just console log this out, console log our count, and let's check it out. Node, HackerRank, and the hurdle race. Let's run that. So it's 2. As you can see, the maximum height that we can jump is 2. And if you take a look at our array, the maximum height within our array is 6. So that means that we have to take this super juice at least twice. Now I'm going to go ahead and just increase 2 to 10. Now when I do this, it should give us back 6, meaning we have to drink the super juice 6 times. So I'm going to save this, run our algorithm again. And that's exactly what we're getting back. We're getting back 6, what we expected to get, just what we expected to get. So I'm going to go ahead, just remove our console logs. Let's copy this and paste it into HackerRank's website. Paste that, and now let's run our code. Oh, I see the mistake that I made. As you can see, I accidentally pasted this in twice. I'm going to go ahead and just run over that. And yeah, let's run our code again. And now we're passing our test. Everything's passing as it should. And from time to time, just little mistakes like that are going to happen. So whatever, it's all good. Catch you guys next time. Peace.